y'all, it's Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Conversations. Today we're doing Cup of Bibliophile. Bro, are you fucking serious? Anyways, Bibliophile, sorry. Cup of Bibliophile. Hold on, I gotta find it. There we go. I found it. Are you fucking serious? Okay, here we go. Ink seeps through my tongue, dry and endless, curling into my thoughts like whispered secrets. Pages churn where there are no pages. Words etch themselves into skin, into breath. I blink, but the senses don't stop. They keep writing, rewriting, filling me until there's nothing left but the story. Now, that actually makes me curious. What is bibliophilia? Bibliophilia. Bibliophilia is the intense love, admiration, and frequently the collection of books. Damn. Also, it says, derived from Greek roots meaning book and friend, a bibliophile is often described as a friend of books. So that does make sense. I think I can see why. Okay, so this is called a butterfly bookworm. At least she has a book on top of her head. She had a lot of butterflies. Nerdy. Yeah, she happy reading a book right now. Alright, y'all, that is the Cup of Bibliophile. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.